Do you have PIN lock, password lock, pattern lock in your mobile phone? And do you think you are safe? Then it's a wrong myth you have. These kind of locks for the mobile phones can be bypassed in minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass these kind of mobile locks. This technique can be useful for an old phone you have and for which you forget the PIN or password, right? So you can recover your old phone also using this technique. Or you can think like this, how the hackers or mobile thieves do this recovery for any phone they have stolen. Watch this video till the end because this might protect your entire digital life. This video is for educational purpose only. Everything shown in this is intended to raise awareness. Trying these techniques on someone else's phone without permission is illegal and punishable offense by the law. The goal is to make you smarter, not the hackers. Most of the smartphones today use one of the following locks: pattern lock, PIN lock, passwords, or biometric related locks like fingerprint or face unlock. But many of the older Android devices have a lot of bugs or misconfigurations that allow the hacker or anyone to unlock those mobile phones and bypass it, especially using the recovery mode, ADB access, custom recovery, and third-party tools. Without further delay, let's get into the live demo of these steps, how you can recover your phone. Let's go. This is a sample phone what I have. First, what I will do, I will set the pattern for this mobile phone. As you can see, pattern lock is applied. Now let's say I forgot pattern lock for this phone. Now I need to recover this phone. To recover this phone, first you need to power off this mobile. Once it is powered off, you need to follow a specific procedure to boot this phone into safe mode or recovery mode. How you can do that? Please press the volume up button of this phone. Then you need to press along with that the power button. Now you can see the phone is powering on. During the power on, you can release the power button, but do not release that volume up key. Now you can see the phone is now into the recovery mode. To recover or reset this phone to the factory default, what you need to do, you need to select the wipe data options. So basically these options will vary from company to company. So you need to select it accordingly because functionality wise everything will be same. I have selected wipe data with the help of this volume up and down button. So to confirm the selection, you need to press the power button. I have selected wipe data option. Now I will press power button to confirm the selection and the phone will be starting wiping off its data. Here you can see the progress. You can see data wipe is successfully completed. Now it is asking to reboot the phone. Select the reboot option, press the power button to confirm the selection. Here you can see now the phone is powering on and it is looking like just as a new phone. So you can see the initial wizard to set up your phone. Please do the respective selections to make the phone usable. Once the wizard is complete, you can see you have the screen in front of you and you can just enter into the phone. That is how we just recovered the phone. Don't you think it is a simple step? Please remember, this method works if factory reset protection is not active in your phone, or if you don't have a Google account linked into this phone. Advanced users or attackers may use tools like ADB, like Android Debug Breach, flushing of a ROM, or commercial unlock tools like Dr. Phone or 4U Key. But these methods often require USB debugging to be enabled or OEM unlock to be turned on beforehand, which in most of the cases phones doesn't have. Now I am going to tell you some of the steps that can protect your device from such kind of recovery options so that your phone is also protected from hackers. So, how can you keep your phones safe from these threats? Always keep factory reset protection mode enabled. Stay signed into your Google account. Turn off USB debugging unless it is needed. Disable unknown apps. Use strong pins or biometric with fallback security. Install apps like Find My Device and enable it. Your smartphone is your personal vault. If its screen lock is weak, your photos, chat, bank details, everything is at risk. If you learned something valuable from this video, drop a like, share it with your friend or family, and do not forget to subscribe for more mobile security and tips related live demonstration. Stay smart, stay secure. Your digital safety is in your hand. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.